Hey everybody, it's a chilly spring day out here. Everything's popping up. I'm just doing a couple chores. I'll show you what I've been doing. Right now I'm mulching the broccoli bed, and the broccoli looks awesome. So let me show you. So I laid out the soaker hose, super easy this time, and then I'm going to use leftover paper bags and a little bit of cardboard, and then this is a pile of grass clippings. Always save that for sure, so all that nitrogen and organic matter goes back into the soil instead of the trash. So I'm gonna lay down the paper bags and cover it with the mulch, and each time we mow we'll just pick another bed and move on like that. But first, before I do that, I got to get the soaker hoses in each bed, so I'll be working on that all week because that's always a really tough job. Alright, so that chore's done. Looking good. It'll keep the moisture in and the weeds out and make me new organic material for next year. So, looking good. Such a pretty day. I just had to bring you out here and look at the flowers. We've had 2 rains in the past 2 days, and today's going to be in the 70s and tomorrow, and the whole yard is just sprung to life. So yeah, let's feed the girls and check out the yard. Hello ladies. Get you some food. One of these girls, can't figure out who it is trying to crow. Doesn't make any sense. They're all girls. They all lay eggs. And it's not like I have any new chickens, but I guess that happens sometimes. One of the chickens will start crowing. So these are still beautiful. And now there's some light pink tulips coming and apricot. This is my most favorite purchase, I swear. It's just so pretty, and it's been blooming for so long. Here's the pond. Still has daffodils around it. These tulips haven't bloomed yet, but they're coming. They're more in the shade, so. But look at these guys. Just beautiful. So the stuff I've been transplanting around the pond seems to be good. Doesn't look awesome, but it's not dead, so I gotta start filling in the back. It's gonna be tough. Then over here, the alliums have been blooming. Cutest things ever. Fortunately, I haven't really seen very many bees this year. I don't know what's going on. And then in a couple days we'll have iris blooming too. So, beautiful. Everybody looks fine. They look like they want to get planted in the ground, that's for sure. But it's just not time yet. I might try planting a few tomatoes because I have so many. If the ones I plant right now die, it would be fine. But yeah, these poor guys are just ready to get planted. Definitely not going to plant out the peppers yet. It's just not warm enough. So I need to water a few of them. Tell you who loved the rain is the greens bed. Look at the lettuce. We're going to harvest some. So, looking good. There's collards there in the back. Happy as can be. And spinach looks good too. So yeah, it'll be the first harvest. And potatoes are popping up. Well, do you want to play? Okay. Anyway, yeah, I noticed them the other day, but now you can really see them really well. I also have 1 million sunflowers in here that I've been pulling up. And then I also threw in a little bit of cilantro. So, good stuff. Ah! Do it, team. Drop it. I've not been able to teach him to stay out of the garden bed, so I figured that one out. I also noticed I got a few strawberry blooms. So, it's awesome. It's nice I don't have to water today. Look how good the broccoli looks. So yeah, first week of May here, zone 6, everything just comes to life. I'm actually gonna harvest some of this too, because I heard oregano tastes better when you harvest it when it first comes out. So I'm gonna try that, because I don't love the taste of my dried oregano, and I did actually purchase 2 other varieties, see if I like those better. But yep, everything's 100 times better than it was last week. So thanks for watching. It's starting to get exciting here, so hope you tune in next time. So I was going to say, if you have any interest in supporting the channel, I have a Patreon account now to help out with all the projects we want to get done here and improving the structure of the farm. So if you look in my about section, or I'll link the account below. But if not, no worries. Really appreciate it that you watch, and every time all the guys who give me a thumbs up, that makes a big difference. So I appreciate it very much. And if you can subscribe, I'm going for 1,000 subscribers, so if we can get to that goal this summer, that will be amazing. Anyways, again, I appreciate it, you guys, and I hope to see you next time.